this biquadratic equation. So there are four roots. Let it be alpha, beta, gamma and delta. In the previous problem given, sum of the two roots is 0. But in this problem, product of any two roots is 6. Let alpha into beta equal 6. This is the given condition. Then by using S1, S2, S3, S4 and this equation, we solve the values of alpha, beta, gamma and delta. First take S4. Alpha into beta into gamma into delta equal to plus E by A, B, C, D, E minus B by A plus C by A minus D by A plus E by A. That is the sequence. Given alpha into beta equal to 6. Gamma into delta equal plus 48 by 1. Sixth table, 8 times cancel. So gamma into delta equal to 8. This is the equation number 2. Next, take S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to minus B by A minus B value 1 by A value 1. So from this one, gamma plus delta equal to minus 1 minus of alpha plus beta. This is equation number 3. Again, S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta minus B by A value, B value 1, A value 1 minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. So, from this one, gamma plus delta equal to minus 1 minus of alpha plus beta. That is equation number 3. Next, take S3. Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, delta, plus beta, gamma, delta, gamma delta alpha equal to minus D by A. Take alpha plus alpha beta common, gamma plus delta. Take gamma delta common, alpha plus beta equal to minus D value minus 4, A value 1. Already in the sequence substitute alpha beta value 6, gamma delta value 8 and gamma plus delta equal to this value. Substitute 1, 2 and 3 in this equation where alpha beta equal to 6. Gamma plus delta minus 1 minus of alpha plus beta. Gamma delta value 8 into alpha plus beta equal to 4. Multiply minus 6 into alpha plus beta plus 8 into alpha plus beta equal to 4. 8 minus 6, 2 into alpha plus beta equal to 4 plus 6, 10. So, alpha plus beta equal to 10 by 2, 5. So, alpha plus beta equal to 5. This is equation number 4. 4. Substitute this value in the third equation. From the third equation, gamma plus delta equal to -1 minus of alpha plus beta -1 minus 5. So, gamma plus delta equal to -6. This is equation number 5. See equation number 1 and equation number 4. They are in a alpha beta terms. So, solve these two. So, solve 1 and 4. Alpha plus beta equal to 5. Equation number 4. Alpha into beta equal to 6. Equation number 1. There are two methods. Number 1, trial and error method. That means choose any two numbers. Their sum is 5 and their product is 6. Simply we guess the numbers 2 and 3. While 2 plus 3 equal 5. 2 into 3 equals 6. So, 2, 3. One is alpha and one is beta. That is called a trial and error method. Otherwise, solve these two equations. Beta equal to 6 by alpha. Substitute this value in the fourth equation. Alpha plus 6 by alpha equal to 5. Alpha LCM. Alpha square plus 6 equal to 5. Alpha square plus 6 equal to 5 alpha. Finally, alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 6 equal to 0. Factorize the equation. Alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 3 alpha plus 6. Take alpha common. Alpha minus 2. Take minus 3 common. Alpha minus 2. Alpha minus 2 into alpha minus 3 equal 0. Alpha equal to 2 or alpha equal to 3. From this equation, if alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 6 by alpha, where alpha value is 3. If alpha equal to alpha value 2, alpha 6 by 2 equal 3. So when alpha value 2, beta value is 3. Beta value is 3. Suppose alpha value is 3, beta value is 6 by alpha, 6 by 3 equal to 2. So alpha equal to 3, then beta value 2. So the roots are 1 is 2 and 1 is 3. We already, by guessing the two numbers 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 equal 5, 2 into 3 equal 6. So 1 is alpha, 1 is the second one beta. Similarly, solve second equation and also fifth equation. Both are in a gamma delta. So second and fifth equation. So second equation is gamma delta equal to 8. Delta equal to 8 by gamma. Fifth equation, gamma plus delta equal to minus 6. Observe, by trial and error method, image two numbers which are satisfying these two equations. They are minus 2 and minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4 equal to minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 4 equal to plus 8. So answers are minus 2 and minus 4. So by problematically substitute this value in this one, gamma plus 8 by gamma equal to minus 6. Take gamma LCM. Gamma square plus 8 equal to minus 6. Gamma square plus 8 minus 6 gamma equal to 6 gamma by cross multiplication. Gamma square plus 6 gamma plus 8 equal 0. Gamma square plus 2 gamma plus 4 gamma plus 8 equal to 0. Take gamma common, gamma plus 2. Take 4 common, gamma plus 2. So gamma plus 2 into gamma plus 4 equal 0. So gamma equal to minus 2 or gamma equal minus 4. So from this one, if gamma value is minus 2, that implies delta equal to 8 by minus 2, that is minus 4. If gamma equal to minus 4, delta equal to 8 by minus 4, that is minus 2. So roots are gamma equal to minus 2 and delta equal to minus 4. Suppose this is gamma delta, this is all gamma. One is delta, one is gamma. So finally we get 4 roots, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 4. Therefore, roots are minus 2, minus 4, 2 and 3. Important problem. Given a biquadratic equation, so its roots are alpha, beta, gamma and delta. But given condition is a product of the two roots is 6. So take any two of these four. Their product is 6. Let alpha into beta equal 6. Equation number 1. We know the values of S1, S2, S3 and S4. By using S1, S2, S3, S4 and this given condition, we solve the values of alpha, beta, gamma and delta. First given alpha, beta equal 6. So take S4. Alpha into beta into gamma into delta plus E by A. Already given alpha, beta value 6. Gamma delta equal E value 48 by 1. Sixth table 8 times cancel. So gamma delta equal 8. This is the first condition. This is the second condition. Next, take S1. Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta minus B by A minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. Gamma plus delta equal to minus 1 minus of alpha plus beta. Next, take S3. S3. Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, delta, beta, gamma, delta gamma delta alpha minus d by a. Take alpha beta common, gamma plus delta. Take gamma delta common, alpha plus beta equal minus of d value minus 4 by 1. Substitute 1, 2 and 3 in this equation. Alpha beta value 6, gamma delta value 8, gamma plus delta value minus 1, minus of alpha plus beta, multiply with 6, minus 6 alpha plus beta, plus 8 alpha plus beta. So 8 minus 6, 2 alpha plus beta equal to 4 plus 6, 10. 2 table 5 times cancel. So alpha plus beta equal to 5. Substitute this value in this equation number 3. Gamma plus delta equal to minus 1 minus of alpha plus beta, where alpha plus beta equal to 5. Minus 1 minus 5 equal to minus 6. That is equation number 5. Solve 1 and 4. Both are in alpha beta. Alpha plus beta equal to 5. Alpha into beta equal to 6. By trial and error method, choose any two numbers which sum is 5 and the product is 6. By guessing, 1 is 2, second one is 3. While 2 plus 3 equal 5, 2 into 3 equal 6. That is called a trial and error method. By problematically, from beta equal to 6 by alpha, substitute beta value in 4. Alpha, 6 by alpha equal 5. Alpha LCM, alpha square plus 6 equal 5. By cross multiplication 5 alpha. So finally we get alpha values are 2 and 3. Similarly solve equation number 2 and equation number 5. We get the values of gamma and delta. So final roots are 2, 3, minus 2 and minus 4.